Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail Platinum. Get to know more about CallRail Platinum. CallRail is a marketing platform for businesses that rely on quality phone calls, leads, and new customers to grow and succeed. Our software gives customers visibility into their marketing efforts so they know what's working and what isn't. CallRail Platinum Agency Partners. These are agencies that join the partner program and are eligible for co-marketing benefits like this, along with webinars and guest posts. Titan PPC. Vancouver-based agency Titan PPC knows the thing or two about the quality over quantity approach to marketing. Instead of offering a host of services to their clients, they channel their expertise and resources into pay-per-conversion marketing, which delivers more immediate results. Workshop Digital. Workshop Digital switches to CallRail and increases leads, ROI, and conversions while maintaining their cost per lead. Partnership. We're better together. Here are 3 ways we can grow together. Our platform's been tested, improved, and fine-tuned for more than a decade. Plus, more than 180,000 businesses use CallRail and have consistently ranked us #1 on G2. We have affiliate partnership, agency partnership, technology partnership. We don't just work with 700 marketing platforms, we make them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. We pair well with your marketing tools: Google Ads, Google Analytics, HubSpot, Slack, Unbounce, and so much more. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.